Good morning, everyone. We are now in my little dirty kitchen ng Igsunan. Okay, we start cooking Dayan for this morning. Okay, let us see what happened of this banana. Okay, let's start. Okay, we peel the banana, no? And then we slice it. Okay, look at me. Okay, right now. Okay, that's all. Okay, we wrap this to a lumpia wrapper, and then after this we cook into the oil, the edible oil, which is called vegetable oil. We use vegetable oil to have a good result of our body because that is very less in cholesterol. Okay, let us speak English so that there's somebody listening us like Americano. American people want to know what we are doing now. Okay, thank you for watching this. Okay, let's start wrapping the banana. Okay, this is dual purpose because we use this for our bayan for breakfast this morning, and also we use this recipe for our snacks. Okay, let's start this vegetable oil. Let's cook our wrap banana fruits. Okay, right, that's all. Okay, look at me, and if you want to know this, follow me. Alright, this is very simple food to eat this morning. For our snacks and viand. Okay, it's all about our banana. Okay, okay, let's continue cooking. Okay, that's the way how to cook banana in a delicious okay. Balik tayo sa language natin kasi nahihirapan na kalisod ako pag in English. Bitaw na lang, mura na no. Okay, mayroon lang to na in English introduction no. May bago po itong uban nga di maong Bisaya. Sila lang sabot-sabot sa akong in English mag-igsuna no. Okay, kana mo na itong gihimo karon nga itong saging gapon nga kinuha dito sa atong nataran mga kaigsunan. Okay, mahimo na ng sudan o ato ang snacks karong adlaw mga kaigsunan no. Tibok adlaw na itong gamit aning kaon ani saginga, aning timpong tinghangin mga kaigsunan, ining ang buwan sa Hulyo 11 sa long Sabado mga kaigsunan no. Naana raw at lawang to arang lami very delicious mga kaigsunan, and most of all very nutritious. Okay, that's all I made this morning. Thank you very much for watching. Okay.